Hello everyone, once again welcome back. Today I am standing here with a different concept. Today we are going to learn some vocabularies. That we are not going to learn simply, we are going to learn the vocabularies by using this crossword puzzle. And it is just related to the name of some of the animals. You can see on board, name that animal. So we may not be knowing some of the animals name, so that we can study it today. And it is one way, it is a fun, and in another way we can learn new words which is related to some of the animals which we may not be knowing still. So let's start. And I don't want to tell the rules of this crossword puzzle because you have already done it before. So directly let's go to the puzzle. Some of the words or some of the phrase which is written here as well as across. So first let's do the words which is coming down, and later we can come to fill the words which is related to across. The first one, male deer. Now remember, we are doing the words which is coming down. Okay. The first one, it's male deer. What is the word used for male deer? Can anyone give the answer for that? Because we have to write it here. Here it start, which is coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4. It carries 4 letters. The word which is used for male deer. Can anyone give the answer for that? Yeah? No? No? Yeah, Ranjit, you said it. It's buck. So we have to write here. B-U-C-K. B-U-C-K, buck, is the word used for male deer. So let's come to the second one. Young sheep. What is the word used for young sheep? That we have to write second. 1, 2, 3, 4. This word also carries 4 letters. So what is the word used for young sheep? Yeah, it's lamb. L-A-M-B. It's lamb. Now it's the third one. Group of fish. There is a particular word used for group of fish. Yeah, Shweta said it. It's school. So we have to write here. Where is the third one? School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School of fish. It's school of fish. Carries how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. School of fish. Very good. Next one, group of monkeys. What is a word used for group of monkeys? It's come fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there for the word group of monkeys. Can anyone answer for that? No. It's not. Yes, Rahul said it. It's troop. T-R-O-O-P. Troop is the word for group of monkeys. Group of monkeys, it is troop. And the next one, group of antelope. Antelope, it's just related to the deer. So group of antelope. What is the word used for group of antelope? It is coming fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are there for that. It's herd. H-E-R-D. Herd. It's herd. So far we are doing great. Let's see the next one. Group of whales. What is the word used for group of whales? It's the sixth one down. Where is the sixth one? Yeah, it's here. Carries three letters. What is a word used for group of whales? Yeah, it's pod. P-O-D. It's pod. Pod is the word used for group of whales. Now let's come to the eighth one. What is the word used for young deer? It's the eighth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It carries 4 letters. What is the word used for young deer? Can anyone say answer? No, it's not. Yeah, Manju said it. It's eighth one. Young deer. It's fawn. F-A-W. Fawn is the word used for young deer. And next one, 11th one, what is the name for female sheep? What is the name for female sheep? 11th one, it is here. It carries 3 letters. Anyone can give answer for that? Nobody? Nobody is there? What is the name for the female sheep which carries 3 letters? No one is there? So I have to say the answer. It's Eve. E-W-E. It's Eve. It's the word for female sheep. And next one. What is the word used for male donkey? What is the word used for male donkey? Which is coming 12th. Where is the 12th? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It carries 4 letters. What is the word used for male donkey? The word used for male donkey. Yeah, it's jack. J-A-C-K. Jack. So far, so good. Next one, 13th one. What is the word used for young cow? What is the word used for young cow? 13th one down. Where is that? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. The word used for young cow. It's calf. C-A-L-F. It's calf. Right. Next one. 15th one. The name for female god. The word used for female god which comes 15th. Where is 15th? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It carries 5 letters. The word used for female god. Yeah, Ajit said it. It's nanny. N-A-N-N-Y. It's nanny. N-A-N-N-Y. Nanny is the word used for female god. And the last one which is coming down, what is the word used for male sheep? What is the word used for male sheep which is coming 17th? It carries 3 letters. The word used for male sheep. Can anyone give answer for that? No, it's not. No. Nobody? Nobody is there, so I have to move on that. So, male sheep, it's called ram. R-A-M. Ram is the word used for male sheep. And the names of some of the animals which comes down, we have already completed. And to complete this crossword puzzle full, we need to write the words which is coming across. So it will be little more easy because some of the spellings we have already got here. Now to find the name of some of the animals which comes across will be little bit easy for you. So let us do that one also to complete this crossword puzzle. So now we are going to do the words which comes across. First one, what is the word used for male cow? Which we have to write first. 4 letters are here. The 2 letters are already given. The first letter and the third letter which is given here, and we already got it. And we need to complete second letter and fourth letter. So what is the word used for male cow? Yeah, it's bull. So B-U-L-L. We need to write U and L because other 2 letters are already given. That's why I told now it's little more easy to find out because some of the spellings we have already there. Next one, sixth one. What is the word used for group of wolves? Group of wolves. Sixth one, right? Yeah, 2 letters are already given, P and C. Yeah, it's pack. P-A-C-K. Pack. Pack is the word used for group of wolves. Seventh one, female horse. What is the word used for female horse? Seventh one, right. Seventh one, right. Yeah, it's here. It's here, seventh one, right. First letter and fourth letter is given and 2 letters we need to find. It's what is the word used for female horse? It's mare. It's mare. Next one. What is the word used for group of sheep, which comes 8th? So it carries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters and 3 letters already given there. The word used for group of sheep. Group of sheep. Yeah, it's flock. F-L-O-C-K. It's flock. The next one. What is the word used for young goat? The word used for young goat which comes ninth one. Ninth. It carries 3 letters and the last letter D is already given there. The word used for young goat. Can anyone give the answer for that? Yeah, Rohan. It's kid. Kid is the name for young goat. We are calling kid for the young goat. 10th one, group of lions. 10th one, group of lions, which is very familiar to you. Yeah, it's already told here. It's pride. P-R-I-D-E. He is already given there. Okay. Next one, 13th one, group of ants, which comes 13th. Yeah. C-L-N. Already given there, and between letters we need to find out. The word used for group of ants. Group of ants, the word used for group of ants is colony. C-O-L-O-N-Y. Colony. Colony is the word used for group of ants. And the 14th one, female donkey. 14th one, the female donkey. It's E and N is already given there. What is the word used for the female donkey? Yeah, it's Jenny. J-E-N-N-Y. J-E-N-N-Y. It's Jenny. Next one, what is the word used for young pony? 16th one. 16th one, young pony. Pony is a small horse. So what is the word used for young pony, which is coming 16th? Which is coming 16th. It is, can anyone say the answer for that? No, it's colt. It's colt. Colt is the word used for young pony. And the 18th one, what is the word used for male horse? 18th one, what is the word used for male horse? It's here. Almost we are going to complete. So it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there for that. And A and last letter N is already given there. What is the word used for male horse? Can anyone give the answer for that? No, it's not. No. Yes, Vivek, it's correct answer. So it's stallion. S-T-A-L-L-I-O-N. It's stallion. Stallion is the word used for male horse. And the last one, last and final one, what is the word used for male goat? Male goat, which we have to write here, and the last letter Y is already given here, and the remaining 4 letters we need to find the word used for male goat. So who will be there to give the answer for this last? Yes, Neha, it's Billy. B-I-L-L-Y. So it's Billy. So by this we have completed our crossword puzzles, and these names of the animals are very important to learn. So it's one way it's simple and it's very useful for us to learn. So let's check it once more. What is the word used for male deer, which is coming down? It's buck. Young sheep, lamb. Group of fish, third one down. School. Group of monkeys, fourth one. Troop. Group of antelope, fifth one. Herd. Group of whales, pod. Young deer, eighth one. Where is the eighth one? It's here. Fawn. And female sheep, 11th one down. 11th one down, and it's here. E. And male donkey, 12th one down. It's here. Jack. 13th young cow, 13 it's calf. Female goat, 15th one. Female goat, it's here. It's nanny. And 17th one male sheep, 17th one male sheep, which is here. It's called ram, R-A-M. And now it comes across. What's the word used for male cow? First one, it's bull. Group of bulls, sixth one right side. It's pack. Female horse, seventh one right. It's mare. And group of sheep, eighth one right side. It's flock. And ninth one young goat. What's the word used for young goat? Ninth one, it's here. Kid. And 10th one group of lions, it's pride. Group of ants, it's colony. Female donkey, 14th one, it's Jenny. And young pony, 16th one, and it's called colt. And 18th one male horse, and it's here stallion. And the 19th one male goat, it's Billy. So by this we have completed our crossword puzzle. I hope it will be very useful to you. Thank you.